Hello everyone, it's 13th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have ready for talks with Pakistan but options open, says Muttaqi, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward we have cities air quality improves slightly, forecast signals midweek deterioration, again very important for environment as well as pollution perspective. Moving forward we have country's first QR code based challan payment, Kisok launched in Gurugram. Then we have NCRB data on cybercrime drop in Delhi, show half the picture, again very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward we have the mountains mourn. Over 30 people have lost their lives in floods and landslides in West Bengal last week. Very important for disaster management perspective. Moving forward, we have this editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says indicators of Israel's unstable hegemony. Very important again for international relations perspective. Then we have Great Nicobar revise the issue of nature's legal rights. Very important for polity and governance as well as environment perspective. Moving forward, we have global goals measured steps. Again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have do cash transfers build women's agency, very important for society as well as economy perspective. Moving forward we have the voting patterns of Muslims in Simanchal. The whole page is dedicated to this one news, very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward we have India sends minister to Egypt for Gaza summit, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Canadian foreign minister set to meet Jaishankar today, again very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward we have same alliances static caste arithmetic but Bihar battle can upend status quo, very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward we have natural farming gains traction in Himachal, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Mahatma Gandhi's methods remain profoundly relevant today, again very important for history perspective. Moving forward we have this world page. Then the first news says Zelensky discusses strengthening Ukraine's air defense with Trump. Then countdown to hostage release starts ahead of Trump's Gaza peace summit. Then we have China and the Philippines trade blame over boat collisions in dispute sea. Then we have US wants to help China, not hurt it, says Trump. Madagascar leader complains of power grab, army claims control. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that's it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.